Ekiine ekizibu kya internet okwetooroora ihanga lyona ngu nibwo bwire Uganda etunge internet erikumara. Ogu yayongyeragira ngu ihanga rikiine ekizibu kyabo abarikukozesa kubi za internet
never get Twitter. Well, as a country, to have some legislations in place.
or minister wa
question is, and I know you will discuss them, why does the government sometimes switch during elections? For instance, I can read that question in the mind of civil society and civil society. Sometimes that one is done in good faith for strategic reasons, because also internet and technology have been misused in some situations, and the government is there to protect all of us.
ahantu hori omwezi wa speaker w'ishengyero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa yashaba abazaire okufayaho abaana baabo omuringo ogu barikukozesamu za internet ekyari kugira ngu abaana bamwe basisikarire ahari internet.
Knowledge is now playing a much more critical role in parenting than us actual parents, because we are busy on our gadgets, including yours truly here. I can tell you. You cannot avoid just checking on your gadget with the little time you have with your children. So, such a forums, Honorable Sarah, I really want to thank you and congratulate you and honorable colleagues for coming up with such a forum. I hope these are the issues we shall look at.
Tayebwa yashoborera ngu abantu abamwe nibagura internet okugikosaho TikTok ombwire obu bakubiire nibagikosa ebintu ebyentunguka hamwe n'okukora sente.
50% of data usage, according to reports I was seeing, in Uganda goes on TikTok. What's on TikTok? Rugambo. Hozambe, people dancing Hozambe. How can we use internet productively? Okay? What's on TikTok? Videos of, people laughing, people doing what? Someone is making money on you. Huge amounts of 50% of data usage in this country. In fact, I think it has gone beyond 50%.
Ahanho Thomas Tayebwa yashabira abo boona abarikujunaanizibwa omu kutambuza za internet omu ihanga okureebuka ngu basya obuheereza ari abo abarikushangwa omu byaro nikwo kiyambeho omu kutambuza gy'emirimo.
Find the urban-rural divide should worry us more. Because in Africa, according to the UN, 57% of internet penetration is in the urban areas compared to 23% in the villages. So, Honorable, how will people in Kanu, and I'm sure this last mile, that's why we supported you on this last mile connection project, hoping we can help the rural areas access internet and also but have it in a very, very affordable way.
Omuringo nigwo gumwe yashaba gavumenti okukora ekiri kubasika okureebuka ngu yateekaho ebiragiro ebirikutangira abo boona abarikukozesa kubi za internet.
Regulation of the internet, not the regulation of, when we talk of regulation, they talk of the politics and people who use it wrongly on politics. And no, I'm meaning responsible use of the internet so that the internet can be productive for our communities. The internet doesn't become a source of suicide, people committing suicide, abuse, online abuse. It doesn't become a source of fraud, people losing their money, but rather people making money.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano